Hello. What we discussed yesterday? Can anyone let me know which topic we completed yesterday?
Today we have completed for loop, while
Conditions, no?
conditions.
Conditions and loops. But let me switch to our branch. It checkout batch one. Yes. No. How to draw rich graphs, styled graphs. To draw styled graphs, we need one more library. That library we can call Seaborn library. What is the library name? The library name is the Seaborn library. Fine. What is the file we have? Requirements.txt. Na? We have one file, then that file we can call requirements.txt. Which library we need to download? Answer, which library? Seaborn library. Na? Let me download the Seaborn library. Simply we need to take the Seaborn. Now, how to activate virtual environment? How to activate virtual environment? Source, when we source, when we how to create virtual environment. Can anyone tell me how to create virtual environment?
Python
Python,
hyphen m hyphen m
Python
hyphen m when we
created. After creating, how to activate? How to activate
scripts
when we activate? And how to execute requirements.txt file? How to execute requirements.txt file?
pip install
See this one. We need to go for which one? Pip
install requirements.txt
pip minus r
hyphen r
requirements.txt. Pip install minus r requirements.txt. Download the Seaborn library also, all the people. In our laptop, please download the Seaborn library. Download the Seaborn library. Pip install minus r requirements.txt. Automatically, we are able to download Seaborn library. Yeah. Can I go for one Python file? Can I go for one Python file? Which Python file? See this one here, we need to place the graphs.py. Graphs.py. Fine. To display relationship between two values. For example, say this one, salary experience. No? Say this one. If the experience increases, salary also increases or not? Respond.
yes sir
Yes. Then that plot to display relationship between two variables. Then we will use one graph. Then the graph we can call scatter plot. Which graph we need to use? Scatter plot we need to use it. Fine. Yeah. Team. Tell me here how to import Seaborn library. Import which library? Seaborn
Seaborn as
how to give alias name SNS, and how to import Matplotlib. How to import
import.
Matplotlib? Import. Which one we need to import? Matplotlib na Matplotlib. Or which one? PyPlot na PyPlot. As what? As a plot or not? As plot. Automatically we are able to import it. Fine. We need X data and Y data na respond.
Yes, sir.
Etc. But I don't want to go for our own data. I want to import predefined data. I want to import predefined data. How to import a predefined data? SNS dot load to data set. SNS dot load to data set of tips. This is a predefined data. This is not our own data. This is the predefined data here. Fine. Now catch the data. What are the data is there? The data we need to catch it. Catch the data and print the data. How to print the data? Let me print the data. Tips dot. I want to print first 5 records. Let me print first 5 records. How to print it? How to print it? Tips dot header not tips dot header. And how to run the code? How to run the code answer? How we need to run the code? Anyone? How to run the code? Python? Python, say this one. 13 minus graph start by. Yes. Are we able to display first 5 records? Respond first 5 records. Why? Because of header not because of header. I wanted to show the relationship between total bill and a tip. I wanted to show the relationship between total bill and a tip. How to show the relationship? Try to see this one. SNS dot which plot? Scatter plot or not? Scatter plot. X equal to which one? Total bill na? Is it predefined
Yes,
data
sir.
or what data? Predefined data.
Predefined data.
Y equal to and here we need to place the y equal to we need to place the tip. Y equal to tip we need to place. Next one, data equal to where is our data? Tips data or not? Where is our
Yes.
data? Tips data or not? Tips data. And how to show the graph? How to show the graph? Plot dot show or
Dot.
plot dot show.
Yes. So that figure one we need not to add, sir.
Which one? I think I'm not writing the whole code. I'm writing the basic code.
Okay.
Yeah. See this one automatically we're able to show the graph itself.
So the
Otherwise,
plot dot a figure of fig size we can use. That
exactly.
we have.
Yeah, that one also we can write it. Tips equal to just to modify the data. Tips equal to tips dot header. No, run the code again. Show the relationship between only 5 values. Yes, see this one. X data, Y data, X data, and Y data. To show the relationship between 2 values, then we will use the scatter plot. Execute the code.
Sir, is there any shortcut or any documentation where we can see the predefined data sets from Python?
Exactly. I will share it in the group. I will share it. You were asking like not only tips, do we have any other thing?
Yes, sir.
Anyone completed? Next one. Let me go to the, can I go to the another example?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Let me go to the another example. Here I want you to go to another example, example 2. Example 2 is the histoplotter. What is the example 2? Example 2 is the histoplotter. Right. Why histoplotter? It will tell distribution. 0 to 10, how many members are there? 10 to 20, how many members? 20 to 30, how many members? Greater than 90, how many members? To know data distribution, then we need to go for the histoplotter. How to load the data? How to load the data? Can I tell how to load the data? Tips equal to
SNS.load data.
SNS load data.
Data set.
Load data. Which data set we need to load? Tips are
Tips.
not tips. And how to draw the histoplotter? SNS dot histoplotter not histoplotter. SNS dot histoplotter we need to do pass. Next one. Here try to say this one we need to do pass the which data we need to do pass? Tips of total bill or not? Tips of total bill. So these are the syntax stream. And I wanted to know 20 categories, 20 styles. And I wanted to draw smooth curve also. How to draw the smooth curve? To draw smooth curve equal to, I need to pass the true, KD equal to true. And how to show the graph? Plot dot show.
Sir, KD means
Graph, say this one. Are we able to say the graph here? Graph. Yes or not? To draw the graph. In order to draw the graph, then we need to go for the KD equal to true, not more than that one. It will represent how the data is distributed.
to show the graph, we need to use KD.
Exactly.
So tips data, it's come from any Excel or it's automatically come?
Predefined. It's a predefined. It is available in the SNS itself.
Okay.
Then what is this KDE actually?
To draw the line, like how the data is distributed.
Okay, that curve that you were seeing on top of that.
Exactly. That curve is nothing but the KD. Then make it as a first, then you can get the clarity.
Sure, sure.
And another thing, let me go to the another example. One more example. Here I need to go for the one more example. Example 3. Example 3 is the box plotter. Box plotter. When to go for the box plotter? To find the least value, median value, highest value. Got it now?
Yes,
Ranges
sir.
are to find the least value, median value, highest value. To categorize the data like that, then we will use for graph. Then the graph we can call the box plotter. Fine. Yeah, tell me Kara, how to load the tips data. How to load the tips data. This the tips data or not? This the tips data. And how to draw the box plotter. Guess it. SNS dot. SNS dot
Box plotter.
box plotter or not? Box plotter. SNS dot. And here we need to place the box plotter and try to say this one. For example, in the restaurant, at what time we have the peak business? At what time we have the least business? At what time we have the some medium business? I want to know that information. How to know that information? X equal to what? Day or not? X equal to day. And Y equal to what? Y equal to total bill or not? Y equal to which one? Y equal to total bill. Y equal to which one we need to place? Total build. Next one. Here what we need to place, and another thing is the total build, and another thing is the data equal to which data? Tips data. And how to show it, and how to show it, plot dot show. How to show it, plot dot show. Automatically we're able to show it. Run the code again. Yes, try to say this one. Team, Thursday, this is the information team. How the data is distributed, some information. Just analyze that graph. Team. I'm not analyzing that one. Please analyze that graph.
So this Seaborn is applicable only for X, Y, X. I mean X and Y axis, like plots.
Not only that one easy. Just say this one. After all, I'm writing the 3 lines of code, 2 to 3 lines of code. If you
Yes.
check the Matplotlib, we are able to write the more code or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Attributes are.
Simplifying. That's it. It's a simplifying.
Sir,
Hmm.
in real time, did we use the Seaborn or that one? Matplotlib.
Matplotlib only C1. We are not using Matplotlib.
Okay.
Can I go to the another example?
Sir.
Yes. Now, let me go to the another thing here. Heat map. And one more example we need to see. The one more example. Which example? Heat map example. Heat map example. What is the specialty of the heat map example? To show 25% of data, 50% of data, 75% of data, 100% of the data, like a slab wise, to distribute your data in a slab wise correlations. Then we need to go for the heat map. Fine. How to load the predefined data? How to load the predefined data? Say this one. Tips equal to SNS dot load set. Load data set something we need to do plus. Next one. Here I need to do something here. What we need to do? And here we need the correlation or not. Here we need the correlation. Correlation equal to here what we need to do place. Tips dot what we need to do place. Tips dot correlation. Tips dot correlation here numerical value. Numerical value equal to true. Generally we need to apply the correlations on the numbers or not. Correlations on the numbers or not. Can we apply the
Yes,
correlation?
yes, sir.
Yes, say this one. Inside the tips data set, whatever the numbers are there, for all the numbers, enable the correlation. So that's why we need to do place it. How to draw the heat mapper? I need to draw the heat mapper. How to draw the heat mapper? SNS data heat mapper. SNS dot heat map. Which data we need to pass? Correlation data na? Correlation data we need to pass. And I need to display that value also. Value in the sense 25% what is the data, and 50% what is the data, and show the different colors also. I need to show the different colors also. How to show the different colors? See this one, and here we need to place the cool one. And how to show it? How to show it? Plot dot show. Different ranges. I think I'm not saying that information thing. What are the graph is there? After the session, please try to analyze yourself.
Heat map of correlation. C map equal to
After the class team, just to do the work from your end also.
Sir, it is asking for self-determined parameter or something.
Check that one. Where is any corrections? Any spelling mistakes or something? Verified.
Okay. COOLWERM. Okay, full warm.
And another thing, I need a graph for the data analytics, not for our people, data analytics people. Generally, data analytics people, they will use one graph. They will use one graph, then the graph we can call the pair plot. Which graph they're using? Pair plot. Not related to us. This is related to only data analytics people. Here, how to load the data? How to load the data? Tips equal to what we need to do, place SNS set or load a data set or not. Load a data set, load a data set of tips data, and how to show the graph. SNS set dot pair plot of tips. How to show the graph? Plot dot show. Different, I think. Can you guess it? Different graphs are there, na?
Yes, sir.
Different graphs are there. But
All disclose.
yeah, I didn't analyze it this funding. Just general these kind of graphs used by the data analytics people.
Okay.
Check that one. Not in-depth team, just awareness I'm providing. Yeah. Please revise the complete Python again, then we need to close the Python. Where the Python is there. Can you please revise the complete Python? Did we discuss about variables?
Yes, sir.
Variables and the data types.
Yeah.
Team responder variables
Yes,
and the
sir.
data types. We
Yes,
discussed.
sir.
Yes, sir. We discussed.
Yeah. How many data types? How many data types? Anyone?
8 data types.
Eight.
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 Kananagar, first one.
Integer.
Yeah, second one.
String, boolean, integer,
Boolean.
list, tuple,
Set, list, tuple.
dictionary, and
Dictionary.
set.
Bool.
Set
None.
none.
None also.
None.
Data type, different data types are there. Coming to the functions. What is function? What is function?
Function is a
Is used to
Particular
implement
business logic.
logic operation.
Like a particular business logic, we can call the function. Why functions? Reuse the business logic now.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
Functions are used to reuse the business logic. Do well the Python won't be there. Next one. And another thing. Tell the types of functions also. Tell the types of
With
functions
no
also.
written type, no parameter.
Keyword.
No parameter with written type.
No parameter with written type.
Argument, variable length argument, dictionary arguments. Yes.
Star variable is called.
The function without name.
Asynchronous, anonymous function.
The function without name. What do you call anonymous function or
Anonymous function.
Lambda.
Yeah. Lambda.
And so many functions we discussed. And another thing, After completing that one, then immediately we check it about the whoops.
Hmm.
Whoops. Did we cover it about self keyword?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Using
Yes.
to create constructor, we used to.
Exactly. Instance. Did we cover it about a CLS keyword?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
sir.
The
Class
class method
variable
variable.
extension.
Class method variable at the rate of class
Class.
method to change them.
Yeah, and any other inheritance, polymorphism,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
in caps.
Multi-level,
All
multiple,
5. Single,
five.
multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid, sir.
And we discuss about a constructor,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
instance, abstract, static, so many examples.
Super class
Yes, sir.
concept. How we will be calling.
Exactly.
Super.
NumPy.
Provide public protected variables.
Like you are saying like modifiers,
Modifiers. Yes, sir.
like for NumPy to perform numerical calculations, to perform
NumPy.
NumPy.
Yes, sir, Nata. Did we
Yes.
discuss about lists, separate lists?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
next one, pandas.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Is it
Data
a,
frames.
yeah, is it a Matplotlib? Graphs in a sense, is it a Matplotlib?
Matplotlib.
Yes,
Sir.
sir, Matplotlib. Can you please tell me how to handle Excel files?
Using
Excel.
pandas
Data
with the help
frame.
of data
Data
frames,
frame.
Data frame.
Yeah,
we use it to access, provide
Like
the access
pandas
of.
dot data frame, and then we used to give them all that whatever we need, like name, all those things as a key and value.
exactly. Coming to the graphs, how many graphs we done in the Matplotlib? Anyone have idea?
Six.
6 or 7? No?
7.
But box plot mark 6 to 7 graphs we
Yes,
discussed.
sir.
What is the first graph we done?
Line.
The first graph.
Scatter plot.
Pie chart.
First one, scatter plot.
Line plot, na? First
Line.
Line plot.
Second one, bar graph.
Yes, sir.
Bar graph. Next one,
Pie
Pie
chart.
chart.
Pie
Next
chart.
scatter
Scatter plot.
Scatter plot.
plot.
Histogram.
Histogram.
Subplot.
Both are the correct. Next one is the
Histoplot.
Subplot.
next one is the
Subplot.
Box plot.
did we
Box
discuss
plot.
tuples? Yes or not? Which one
Yes.
is the mutable? Which one is the mutable and which one is the immutable?
List is the
List is
mutable.
mutable.
Tuples are the
Tuple is
Also
immutable.
immutable.
Yeah, list is the mutable and tuple is the immutable.
Immutable.
How to remove duplicate values?
Using set.
How to store the data in the form of a
Dictionary. Value pairs.
and loops. And how many loops we discussed? For loop, while loop.
For loop, while
While
loop.
loop.
Do while is not there. In the Python itself, do while not there. Next one, another thing, conditions. Coming to the conditions, how many conditions we discussed? If condition,
L.
If,
Elif.
LF.
LF, ELIF, LF,
Else.
nested if,
Match.
match also. No switch. Instead of switch, we can call the match. Yes or not? And another.
Yes.
And coming to the basic knowledge, which is related to what?
Seaborn.
Seaborn.
Like easy tips, predefined library.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just to give me the second key. I didn't verify it, but let me check it. These are the predefined data sets. We're able to see them. Built-in data sets, we're able to see it. I think if I import here, it will tell what are the built-in data sets are there. 1 second, okay? Not this one, don't go for this one. Other we have the multiple things. Grammar, attention, brain network, car crashes, diamonds. So where is our data? Tips data. This is the tips data, na? This is the tips
Yes, sir.
data. Am I written so many data? We have the bulk data. Now try to see this one. Copy this information. Yeah. Check this one. Something I wanted to check it. Can I go to the taxes? Can I verify whether we have the taxes data or not? Can I verify here? Let me verify the taxes data. How we need to check it? How we need to check it? SNS dot loaded
Load
data.
data set of
Data
tax.
set of tax.
Print data. How to print data? Print taxes dot
Taxes dot head of head.
Yes. We have the information now. Say this one pickup time, drop off time, pickup brought or drop off brought or something. We have some information. Like this also, so many data sets are there. Like iris in the sense it's related to eye related, health related kind of thing. No, let me place another thing here. And here I need to place the iris. Iris equal to SNS data. SNS data loaded data set of iris. Iris print data. How to print it? Print iris data. Print iris data. Which one we need to place?
Head.
So many predefined data sets are there. So many predefined data sets are there. Now this is related to iris data set. Got it? Or just generally in the Matplotlib, we are taking our dummy data. We are taking our dummy data here, but here. Yeah. See this one here, but this is related to what? This is related to what? This is related to predefined data sets. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Team, can you please update yourself? Please update yourself. Team, this is Sunday, but I'm giving the little bit late information. This is Sunday. Plan for the workshop day. Plan for the workshop. I think even though please adjust yourself. I'm requesting you people please adjust yourself. Sunday 9 o'clock I will take the session. Slowly, very slowly I need to take it. And I will let you know based on the Python how to develop the API calls. Get to, post to, put to, delete something is there, no? Then I need to tell you. Fine. In the tomorrow session team, let me close the Python today itself. And tomorrow session I need to tell some intermediate math is there, no? Like we know the debt, some trigonometry, something is there, no? We have the mathematics. So that math I will cover in the tomorrow class. So just a basic knowledge I need to provide. Saturday I don't want, if possible, I think if you people are okay, then I will take the class on the Saturday. Otherwise, Saturday I won't take. Sunday directly I need to take the workshop. Okay, now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please adjust yourself. Team. Okay, now? Fine. Thank you, team. And I'm closing there like here. And please update yourself. Team, can I create a separate folder here? It's better to create a separate folder. Even if you have any personal dependency team, please adjust yourself. How to commit the code? How to commit the code team? Respond git add
Git commit.
1 second team. Git add data.
Yeah, that's right.
Respond git commit
Git commit.
minus m.
Minus
Then
M.
what we need to do completed? Python completed.
Python.
How to push it?
Git push.
To push.
Yeah. What are the code is that code already pushed it in. Here we created the separate folder in Python folder. It contains the complete stuff. Tomorrow I need to create one more folder, statistics folder. There itself complete mathematical calculations are there. On Sunday I need to go for the fast API. Okay. And for the fast API, I will share. For the fast API, I will share a separate meeting ID. A separate meeting ID. Please join with that one. In the group, we will place it. Anyone have any consent team? No, no.
No, sir.
Okay. All the people team, I'm requesting all the people, please adjust it. Okay. Thank you, team. Bye.